Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY. I'm just changing a bulb on this Vauxhall Zafira. One of the things that has been picked up in the past is one of the bulbs, which is right down here, which is that one there. You can just see it. That one which is right behind the airbox. I'm going to show you how to take the airbox on this. I've already took the airbox out because what I want to show you first is what fixings are for when you try and get the airbox out, because it's quite difficult. If you're not sure what's underneath, it's quite difficult. So you've got a torque screw here, and you've got a lug there that a bushing at the bottom of the airbox will fix into. So when you're pulling it out and you're not sure what's holding it back, it'll be that. You've got a pipe there with a Jubilee clip on it, and then underneath will be this air duct, which I'm going to show you how to take that out and how to fix it back in. So there's the airbox in situ, and underneath down there, that's the bushing that fixes into that bracket. And there you can just see down there is a screw, which is a Torx, which is that one. Not sure what size it is. I think it's a Torx 25. You can see that's T25. So that's what you need for that. So there's just the one screw. So this bit there, this bit of duct, just pulls straight off, and you've got that Jubilee clip there. Get that in situ. Basically you undo it and then just pull this straight off. Be careful of your wiring. And then that bit there marks up together. Oh. And then you get your Jubilee clip. Get one of these tools or something similar. Just tighten it up. Just not too tight, don't want to break it, just enough so it doesn't come off. So that's your ducting, that's your T25 bolt. Your underneath locator is in with the bushing. So the only thing we've got to do left is this duct, which comes with a screw. But the rest of them, it has three locating lugs, one there and two there, and it's screwed into place to stop it coming undone. And that goes in there, there and there. So the duct, which is down underneath there, goes into the airbox. Got 1, 2, 3 locating lugs. So you put that bit in first, locate it underneath in situ, and just pull it, and everything should be in place. And then left, got a screw there that you take it out. So this one here is a T20, I believe, and it just goes in like that. Don't need to over tighten it, it's plastic, break. And that is it. That's how you remove the box. I've done this in reverse because I think it's better to see what you're up against rather than me just taking it out and fighting for 15-20 minutes, so you can actually see whether you're up to the job. As you can see, didn't really want to go underneath the car today. It's been horrible. It's like flooded. I'm going to put some drainage in here because it's getting worse and worse. Got a drain down there and it all just goes in, so it feels a bit like Scotty Kilmer's driveway when he's had a deluge. So this came from a viewer who said take the airbox out. Well, I have done, and that's how you do it. And this is great for other things as well that you might want to do if you've got to get behind or underneath or remove the airbox to do some sort of work on the engine. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. Feel free to comment, feel free to have your say, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, tell me why, be constructive. Thanks for watching.